X4M. They have a lot of comments on to film this crossover. Super clean. This one is priced over $86,000. BMW color, super clean. I got 21-inch tires on it. BMW new designs, it's crazy. Super clean, guys, the inside of it. Love how this thing look. This one is the 2024 BMW X4M. This was priced for $86,905, guys. Super clean SUV. Thanks again, guys, for watching my channel. Stay tuned for more car videos. If y'all would like to see another vehicle, just drop down the comments. Let me know what you want to see. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all guys for watching. Thanks for watching again.